How to force restart or reset Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to force restart or reset Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Sometimes an Android device can freeze or become unresponsive, and the only way to bring it back to life is through a forced restart or reset. For that, you need to simply follow the simple steps. A forced restart, also known as a soft reset, is a simple way to fix a frozen screen or unresponsive phone without erasing any data. For that, you have to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. You have to keep holding both buttons for 10 to 20 seconds until the screen turns off and the device reboots. The phone should restart automatically. This method works for most Android phones including Samsung, Google, OnePlus and others. In order to factory reset, what you need to do is simply open settings on your device. Tap the search bar at top of the screen. Now type in reset and you will see all the list of the reset options. Tap erase all data option and then you will access this section where you will see erase all data option. Select that, enter location password. Now tap on erase data and this will clear all the data and factory reset your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.